feel like, bitch, I'm a crow. Whoa, I feel like, bitch, I'm a...
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Diego, and we back here with another video, man. And in today's video, y'all already know, man, y'all finna meet STL, and we going golfing. But before we get into that, man, it is currently 8:30 in the morning, bro. And y'all can tell that Ego have not got together, man. So once we get together, bro, and we hit the road, I'm gonna show y'all, bro. All right, so look, y'all, it is currently 9 o'clock in the morning. But look, what I want y'all to do before y'all do anything, make sure to go join STL Discord. I will have the Discord link down in the description, and make sure y'all go join that. Make sure y'all go drop a sub to Ego, man. And make sure y'all follow my Twitch. We be live every night. All right, y'all, so we about to head out. I know I had to show y'all the game and set up, man, but just a smooth little fit, smooth little calm fit. We finna go hit up Wally World and go get us a fit for the golfing, man. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get on the road. All right, Ego and STL gang, man. We are currently on the road on the way to Walmart. And once we get to Walmart, man, I'm gonna hit y'all back. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Your boy Ego do look rough right now. But hey, we ain't gonna speak on that, man. All right, y'all. I know this air probably loud, but y'all should be able to hear me. But we are currently on the way to Walmart. We probably like 3 minutes out. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get into Walmart, y'all. All right, y'all. We currently at Walmart. All right, STL gang, man. We finally up at Walmart. We finna go straight to the clothes aisle. See what we gonna find, man. I think I'm gonna go cargo shorts though, y'all. I'm most definitely going cargo shorts. All right, y'all. So we currently in the dressing room. And that's how the shorts fit. Everything else fits. So I'm gonna show y'all. You got the white shirt, with the green hat, and the khakis, bro. All right, y'all. So we currently out of Walmart. And y'all see how much we came out of for 3 items, bro. All right, y'all. So we leaving up out of Walmart. We currently on our way back to the house. I'm gonna show y'all the full fit when we get to the house. And yeah, we're gonna wait on Cash. We're gonna wait for Cash to hit us up. Once Cash hit us up, then we'll be on the road, y'all. All right, my STL and Ego family, man. We are finally back to the house. And it's the final fit, man. Let me know how y'all like it, man. I think Ego went crazy. And we got the cigar, man, for the golfing. Which I don't condone in. We don't smoke, y'all. But let me know what y'all think about the fit, y'all. I think I went crazy, though. All right, my STL and Ego family, man. We are finally with my boy Cash, man. Cash, introduce y'all to
Hey, this shit ain't real. This is AI.
Yeah, we with my boy Cash. But when we meet up with the rest of the STL, man, I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. You here with my boy V, man.
V Long.
My boy Mo. Hey, look. Rate my boy's fist, though.
Right, come on, hold on.
Come on, Cash, man. Rate my boy's fist, bro.
Hold on, wait, we doing that. He say, let me put everything on.
You gotta put everything on?
He say, let me put everything on.
Hold on, go ahead, get right. Get right, family.
Hey, he say, we sponsored by Reebok today, too. Y'all let me know that. Yeah.
Wood.
Trash. What? What you say, boy?
Nah, though. What my boy Cash got on, though? Cash, what you got on, family?
I got drip for sale. I know, you feel me? We got some sketches on the
What?
We got some sketches.
What?
Some sketches, you feel me?
Nah, bro, them boys went crazy. Y'all see how Ego went, though. Y'all see how Ego went, y'all.
Come here real quick. This that real him.
This ain't that real shit.
This the
bro.
real him.
This is what Tiger Woods were. Cause this is the P.
I got this from Tiger Woods
this
himself,
the PGA Tour, boy.
I got this from Tiger Woods himself.
This the real deal.
What?
Signing everything on the inside, bro.
On the inside.
They talking about Tiger Woods. I'm Tiger Crow. change of plans, STL and Ego family, man. We was gonna go to that little apple buffet, but that mug was packed and they was talking about damn near an hour late. I mean, an hour wait. So we literally jaywalking though, but we going across the street to Freddy's, y'all. We at Freddy's right now, y'all. They pretty different. I ain't gonna lie. It's my first time ever been in here. Let me see what I'm gonna order. I don't even know what I'm gonna order. Look at that menu. I can't even say out of me.
One second.
I think I want that. Ready original.
California style looks so
Get
nice,
that.
man, on my mom.
Oh no, chili dog, bro. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that chili dog might smack. Where Cash go? Hey, that chili dog might hit. I ain't even gonna care.
That's what he craved. I ain't gonna lie, chili dog might smack. Everybody get chili dog. What is this, Lizzie party or something?
I'm gonna take the Freddy's original double. I'm ready to order. The Freddy's original double. Yeah. What did I come with? Do it come with a side? Do it come with a side?
Yeah, it comes with fries, but you can change them to whatever's on the menu.
Let me change them to. No. I want the small fries.
Got it?
And you can add on the chili dog too.
What?
The chili dog.
Chili dog?
Yeah. Okay, that's it.
The total is $19.52.
I bet.
Is that going to be for here to go?
We in here? Where are we to go? We in here? Oh, to go.
Got it.
I forgot about that.
Oh, you should have cash your card.
Card. Alright, we at Freddy's right now, y'all. Yo. We up here eating good though, y'all. Check out the Cash Burger though.
Cash burger.
And Wood.
He said, yeah, but.
No, we eating good though, man.
Jordan killed it.
V?
He killed the glizzy, y'all.
That was your work, man. Shit, there ain't no more glizzy. Glizzy gone.
Straight glizzy gone,
V. Slow down, V. V. Slow down, cuz.
I told him that,
Bro,
man.
Glizzy was already gone, bro.
First match supposed to be the first thing.
The Mo. I said,
Nigga, straight glizzy game.
all right, y'all. So look, man, we just left Freddy's. Our next stop will be bowling. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to the arena, y'all. All right, my Ego gang. Me and STL, we right here. We at bowling right now. Mo. We got Vonnie all the way over there. Yeah. We at bowling right now, y'all. We finna get into the game. I wish I had my tripod, bro, so I can set the phone up so y'all can watch us bowl, bro, but I ain't got it. We still got the content going. I go first. They scared to go first. They trying to wait to get practice in, bro. Y'all trying to wait to practice? Man, this for y'all. First bowl too. I put too much with that on that boy. I ain't gonna lie. I need to find a 10. There we go. I had that little bitty 8, cuz that wasn't it. There we go. There we go. We'll clean it up. We'll clean it up.
You ain't cleaned it up.
Come on,
though.
man. Hey, we